In this video, we'll put our app on the internet. GitHub Pages can host the static websites directly from your repository. It's free and easy to set up. So by default, GitHub Pages use something called Jekyll. It's a static site generator. We don't need it. We already have built our site. We need to tell GitHub to skip Jekyll and serve our files directly. So one thing you need to do here is to go and create a new file. And this is going to be called NoJekyll. NoJekyll, and make sure that you put a period in front of it. So it's an empty file. We don't need to do anything with it. Then after you created this file, you need to commit the changes and push all the changes that you've made to your GitHub repository. Now once this is done, then you would have to go on your GitHub repository. And so this is my GitHub repository. And you need to go to the settings, and then here on the left sidebar you're going to go to the pages, and here in the pages you're going to select build and deployment, source deploy from a branch, and then here under branch you're going to choose whatever your branch name is. My branch name is master, yours might be main, or you might have chosen some other name. You select it, you click on save. And when you do that, you typically get this message showing up, showing you the name of your website, which is going to be your GitHub username .github.io / the name of this repository that you stored the files for this project in. In my case, this is WakeUp Times App. And this is going to take a few minutes. After a few minutes, when this is done, you can open this link. And so this is the app. And you can now access this anywhere on your other devices, pass it on to other people to work with it. This is like an application, a website that is on the internet now. And moving forward, every time you make any changes in the code, you would just commit those changes and push it to GitHub, and GitHub will automatically update this web page from this point on moving forward. You don't need to come back and work with the settings or anything like that. This is a one-time arrangement, and unless you come here and you click on unpublished site, this is always going to be making sure that the latest changes to your source file are actually published to the website. Now, one final aside, we arrange the files, we name them in a way that it helps GitHub to serve them. So the index.html, if you recall, when we created it, I told you that this by convention is usually the entry point to a web page, to a web app. So because we have named it this way, GitHub basically serves everything that you have in your repository when you put a NoJekyll file in it. And so conventionally, when you enter a website, it looks for an index.html and it tries to render that, or it tries to serve that to the client.